Hello everyone. This is Rohit Singla, and today our topic is how we can create a EC2 instance in the AWS. So I will give you a little introduction why we need EC2 instance. Basically, as this is a virtual server that is going to we are going to install in the AWS data center, and it depends on the configuration, which specification you want, as you want but like how many CPUs, RAM. According to that, you can select it as like a AWS as a mechanism, pay as you go. So according to your requirement, your application, your traffic. So there's so many scenarios are there. You can choose and proceed further. So I won't take too much time. Let's proceed. How we can create EC2 instance. So just select the EC2. I'm in the AWS Management Console, and inside that, so EC2 is the service to create a computer instance. So this is a virtual one. We we are going to create it, and as I'm in the Canada region, so CS Center one, it would be. So let's create a launch instances. Inside that we will go, and let's make the name test for the EC2 instance. I'm okay with the Amazon Linux AWS. So there are plenty of options that you have for operating system, such as either you want a Linux one, Amazon Linux one, Ubuntu, Windows, Red Hat, so Debian. So most commonly we either go with the Linux one, the Amazon one, or Ubuntu. Windows, it depends. Like if you have the Windows servers, like in the Linux we use HTTPD, and in the Windows we just directly go and get it through server and create our server web application. So here we have the Amazon latest one. Why you choose this is because my account is free tier, so I am okay with the free tier eligible Amazon Linux one, so I don't want to pay any extra. Just if I choose this to show like how we can able to get it, the method would be same. Just you need to select the your specification, which specification you exactly want it. So this all the information that 64-bit is the operating system, and here is the main thing: instance type. So like as I has like the T2 micro because I lied in the free tile eligible. However, like if you want to go little higher range, let's say you want 16 CPU, more than that, 32, 48, and the memory size. So you can select according to 64 CPU, 55, 12 gig memory. So that's like quite high, but it depends on the amount as well. Per hour they will charge you $4.54 USD. Yeah, so I'm okay with G2 Micro. Here is a key pair. Key pair, why we need it basically for authentication. Like if you need to access inside the server, so we must log in and put it this key pair. Then only we can able to log in. Otherwise, we can't because this key is for security reason is always essential, and they recommend it, I would say. And let's create a key pair. So I will put it name same thing test. Yeah, so I'm going to open through open SSH, so that's why I just go with the .pem. If you have a PuTTY, then you can stick .ppk. Even though if you have a PEM, then you can convert through ppk as well later with the help of PuTTY gen. So that also we can do, but I'm okay with PEM file right now. So this will get downloaded. Now network I will keep default. Yeah, so security group. So this is also very important because we need to open, as we are using Linux, we need to open SSH. So that is port 22 by default. And that is if you're going with the Windows, so you either go with the HTTP, which port 80, or HTTPS 443. But as we are dealing with Linux, so you need to go with the uh, SSH port traffic, and I selected anywhere, so any so that either you can choose your own IP address as well, or like any range, or like anywhere. So I'm good with anywhere. So 8 GB is the storage. That's default one I have. And advanced, if we scroll down, I will keep it like I don't want to play with those things, like that's where like that's very deep, and we need to go in each category. That's fine, leave it for now. Use data, yeah, that's like also important because we need to put other kind of some kind of configuration file, such as to update the server, or like make any directives, or like make a page for HTML page for a web application. Then we just directly go and attach the file, or put it copy and paste here as well. Then while installing the install the launching the instance itself, like that, those configuration will run and able to update, so you don't need to go and inside that, and you don't need to log in. So let's say like I put it yum update -y. So what it does, it will update the server with the latest all updation. So let's create the instance. It will take a couple of minutes, it won't take too much time. So here is the test. So this is a public IP. It's already assigned private IP. And I just want to make sure security group. They made it. I just want to see the SSH port 22 has been assigned in the inbound rules, and so that we won't get any kind of trouble. It seems like the SSH is there. Yeah, SSH and sources anywhere. That's good. So we can able to access. Let's go refresh it once more time. Yeah, it's so connect, and I will go with SSH. I will copy this SSH. This is the commands you need to copy. So it has the PEM file, the name of the instance, computer instance. So I will go in the PowerShell, Windows PowerShell. Okay. So I just need to copy the copy already copied, and I just need to paste uh, the command which we already copied. Okay, we don't have where. We need to see. We need to find out like wherever test.pem is. So we need to put that on this path so that we can able to. We need to go in the user. Let's do it in the here. That's better. Okay, now we need to go inside user, and so so we need to track yeah, test dopam is there. That's good. Let's clear it, and I just copy again this command and paste it here. So just enter. So yeah, it will say yes. Yeah, bingo. So we are inside the server, as you can see. Who am I? Root. Let's put it here so you can see EC2 user, and then sudo su is the command to change to root. And let's see if update has been already happened, which we put it all. Yeah, see, nothing to do because already we put this on the user data. So they have run this command at the back end while configuring the EC2, so that it says nothing to do. It's completed already. So yeah, it's very, so through SSH we can able to log in, and we can see the configuration as well for the specification for the server. So memory is this, use this much, free is this one. So this all the things are there. So we can see we have the virtual server running on uh, basically config on the IP address, uh, and this is basically this is the private IP address we running, and public we already put it. So that's why like we can able to log in through our uh, SSH, and that is working perfectly fine. And I just want to show you like how the Linux is working and what all the commands are there to see like the how the load is working. So as you can see, this is a load on the CPU as we are not running anything right now. So it's just like a fresh server, like as we install the any Linux on the virtual, like in the past we have done, but nowadays it's very flexible. We can able to just log in through our Windows PowerShell or CMD. But this is happening inside the data center of the AWS. But just we are redirecting our all the path traffic through our AWS management console. So that's it from this lecture, because I want to just show you like how the AWS instance works. And see you next time. Thank you.